Hi, I am going to discuss binary to hexadecimal and hexadecimal to binary in this video. Many number systems are in use in digital technology. The most common are binary, decimal, octal and hexadecimal system. The binary has two digits, that is 0 and 1, so it is called as base 2 system. The decimal is having 0 to 9. So the total numbers or in decimal is 10. So we are calling as base 10 system. Octal is having 0 to 7. The total number present in octal is 8. So we are calling as base 8 system. And the hexadecimal system has 0 to 15. So the total number present is 16. So we are calling it's a base 16 system. In this hexadecimal number system, the number 10 is represented as A. Number 11 is represented as B. Number 12 is represented as C. Number 13 is represented as D. Number 14 is represented as E. And number 15 is represented as F. This is the number representation for the hexadecimal system. Binary number system. Binary number system is used in computers and digital circuits for representing numbers. It has only two symbols, 0 and 1. The base of the binary number system is 2. Digital computers internally use the binary number system to represent data and perform arithmetic calculations. Group of 8 binary bits are called a byte. The place value of each position is given below. This is the binary point, this dot is, and this is 2 power 0 the weight of this position, and this is 2 power 1, and this is 2 power 3. Similarly, here in the fraction point 2 power minus 1 the binary weight at this position, and this is 2 power minus 2 and this is 2 power minus 3. And this position is LSB and this position is MSB, and in the fraction part this is MSB and this is LSB. Then MSB means most significant bit and LSB means least significant bit. For binary bit representations, we are writing 2 power 2. The 2 represents binary bits. One number we can write within how many bits. For example, 2 power 2 is equal to 4. So the binary bit 0 and 1 we can represent in 4 combinations. That is 0, 0, 0, 1, 1, 0, 1, 1. Similar way, 2 power 3 is equal to 3-bit combination representations. 2 power 3 is equal to 8. So, 3 binary bits we can represent 8 possible combinations. That is 2 power 0, 2 power 1 and 2 power 2. So, the 8 possible combinations are 0, 0 to 1, 1, 1. That is total 0 to 7. Total 8 combinations we can represent. For 4-bit representations, 2 power 4 is equal to 16. So, with the binary 4 bits, we can make total 16 possible combinations. That is 0 to 15. Total numbers are 16. So we can make 16 combinations with 4 binary bits. Similar way, for 2 power 5 binary bits we can make total 32 combinations. For 2 power 6, for 6 binary bits, we can make total 64 possible combinations. Same way, for 2 power 7 binary bits, we can make total 128 possible combinations with 7 bits. Hexadecimal numbers are used to represent binary numbers. It has 16 symbols, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. These 0 to 9 are equal to normal decimal numbers, and 10 to 15 are represented as A, B, C, E and F. The total numbers present in hexadecimal is 16. So the base of the hexadecimal number system is 16. Now here the decimal number for A is 10 and B is 11, C is 12, D is 13 and E is 14 and F is 15. The place value of each position is given as follows. This is the hexadecimal point and the LSB bit is starting at 16 power 0, 16 power 1, 16 power 2 and 16 power 3 for the 4 bits. And the fractional part is 16 power minus 1, 16 power minus 2 and 16 power minus 3. Now let's see binary to hexadecimal conversion. The binary number is grouped into bits of 4 from the binary point, then the corresponding hexadecimal equivalent is written. This is the binary equivalent hexadecimal tables. 00 is represented, 000 is equivalent to 0. 001 is equivalent to hexadecimal 1. This from this table 0 to 9 are equal to decimal. Then A is written as 1010, B is written as 1011, C is written as 1100, D is written as 1101, E is written as 1110 and F is written as 111. Now this is our given questions. We have to start grouping from the LSB position. First group these 4 points. Then group the next 4 points. Now the only one, the MSB 1 is left. 1 is equivalent to 0. We have to add 3 zeros here. This is the way. Now coming to the fractional part. We are grouping into first 4 bits. Then one is left. We are adding 3 zeros here like this. So now write the equivalent number from the tables. Then we will get the answer is 12E dot D8 in hexadecimal form. The need for number conversion systems. Normally, we are using decimal number systems and hexadecimal number systems in our computers keyboard, in our computer keyboards, or mobile phones or calculators or any other electronic devices. So now I want to add 5 plus 3. We know 5 plus 3 is equal to 8. So what we will do? Normally we will type number 5 plus sign and number 3 in the keyboard, then equal sign. So we are typing number 5 plus sign, number 3 equal sign. So we will get answer 8 in the monitor. So what we are typing as the input is 5. This is input 1 plus input 2. 3 input 3 is input 3 and equal sign. So 4 inputs we are giving. These 4 inputs we are typing in the keyboard first. So I am pressing 5 plus 3 equal sign in the through the keyboard. So this is represented in the decimal form. We are using this decimal keyboard in our computers. So first 5 plus 3 is in decimal form. So we are going to convert this decimal to binary by using decimal to binary converters. So for this reasons we are using the number converters. So the corresponding 5 is equal to 0, 1, 0, 1 and 3 is equal to 0, 0, 1, 1. And plus sign and equal sign also have equivalent binary codes. I am not representing here. Then this binary values are processed in the digital processor. For example, adder. This is for addition process, so I am using adder. Here it will add 5 plus 3 and the answer 8. answer is in the binary form. So the answer is 8100 we will get from the processor. Now again this binary value is converted to decimal by another binary to decimal converter. So now the decimal value is displayed in our monitor. This is the actual process involved in the computers. So for this reason mainly we are using the number conversion.